Hello, I'm Minnie. Okay, now I'm going to summarize my second article. The name is The Advantage and Disadvantage of Technology in a Mathematics Classroom. In this article, they say the process of teaching ICT plays a major role today. Integration of ICT has many benefits that learners get the ample of opportunity to understand new abstract concepts easily. It supports to transform teaching and learning from teacher center to student center. Mostly it enhances the visualization skill of students. Classroom management no longer will be difficult task. Increase the interest of the student towards the subject. Now the researcher says the mode of the ICT tool must be very carefully selected as it highly depends on the specific subject, specific concepts of the particular subject, context of the subject, and many other factors. Otherwise, it will become just a transmission of knowledge without any active participation. So hence they says it has its own benefit and also non-benefit to integrate the technology in a mathematics classroom. In this article, they list out the top 5 advantages and top 5 disadvantages of technology in a mathematics classroom. Now I'm going to talk about the top 5 advantages of using technology in a mathematics classroom. Okay, the first advantage will be technology always provide learners with the opportunity to visualize and make more concrete the general abstract world of mathematics. The second one, technology in the mathematics classroom can help the bridge gap between the abstract and concrete with the virtual manipulated and allow representative of mathematical principle that will supporting mathematical problem solving, which is very good. The third one, technology in a mathematics classroom serve as a visual tool for student to help in a problem solving. Wow, when you visualize, we can solve the problem very easily. Okay, now we're going to talk about the fourth advantage of technology in a mathematics classroom. So what is the fourth advantage? The fourth advantage is the calculator technology because it helps many students to understand and process the concepts that may otherwise they won't understand at all. They will be remain foreign to them, remain unrecognized to them. Yeah, it's correct because some of the students they even don't know how to calculate plus or minus, but they are sitting at secondary school. It's hard to hear, but that is the truth. Okay, the last advantage is student acquire number sense because they started to make generalization that lead them to concept in an algebra, which will be turned can use along with the technological tools to explore the critical concepts of function. Hence they will using like a graphing calculator. Okay, now we going to talk about the disadvantages of using technology in a mathematics classroom. The first one, the largest disadvantage, the disadvantage that the researcher mentioned in the article is to integrate the technology is that access to technology seem to be one of the fundamental issues that all school mathematical program face. After the school, it went to the teacher. The second disadvantage, the issue of integrating technology that teacher faces learning which tool to use and how to teach most effectively with those tools. And some of the teacher also mentioning that the the tools they need to purchase which very high cost to utilize it every day, which is not fair, because everyone says use technology, and some technology when you want to use, it's not free to access. You must pay on it. If it is free, it is not fully you cannot access all the materials in the tools, which now the third disadvantage. The third disadvantage is the fact of the technology tools are always changing can often create another disadvantage to integrate technology in a mathematics classroom. And they says the resources needed to integrate and maintain the tools. If not, it can maybe more generate more trouble than there is an advantage in utilizing the same tools. Okay, the fourth one, as we always know, mathematics require much practice to become more successful. They say the more you practice, the more you become legends in mathematics. But sometimes technology fail when it used to take the place of the practice, because technology, it will help them in mathematics but not make them practice a lot like in a pencil and using like in a pencil and paper. Okay, now the last disadvantage that written in the article is they needed more time to learn mathematics through technology than a given time, because we have a very limited time section in the school. But to learn mathematics or to implement the mathematics through technology is needed a lot of time. Time is not enough, they say. Okay, that is the end of the summarized articles from my major subject. So hope you all understand the disadvantage and advantage when integrating technology in a mathematics classroom, and also the game process in a mathematics classroom. It is fun to read a lot of articles so that we can get more experience when we integrate technology in the mathematics classroom. So we will know what is we must do and don't. Okay guys, thank you, and thank you for watching. Bye.